The Spida Roller Press system is the ultimate solution when it comes to truss assembly. Powerful, fast, accurate and simple to operate. It contains a number of highly functional components, heavy-duty construction and intelligent software with touchscreen controls. At a high level, it's made up of the following: the Jigget automated puck system, steel roller press tables, preset roll press, sometimes called a gantry head, truss ejectors and receivers, transfer conveyors, finishing rollers, exit conveyors, and finally the truss stackers. The roller press system allows for multiple setups of trusses on the table, making it exceptionally versatile. It's elegantly designed, fast and fit for purpose. Operate with ease, fill the truss table, press with one sweep of the gantry head, eject and repeat. Suitable for any truss plant, the roller press system offers a robust, simple, yet highly productive way of assembling trusses. Production numbers will beat almost any other truss assembly method, so you'll find your labour rate goes down while your production goes up.
Moving from a smaller plant to larger premises such as this, we have had designs on and ambitions on much increased truss production, and for this we've felt that the roller plant was the best machinery for our needs. We've found it's got quicker setup times and given us much increased production volumes, and effectively it allows us to meet the demands of today as well as the future demands and growth. As a New Zealand-owned company ourselves, local support and service is very important to us, as well as working with a reputable company. We have worked with Spida Machinery previously, and it's vital for us not to be relying on overseas support and diagnostics. We're also impressed with the safety aspects of the roller plant, and combating fatigue and working safely with our teams and keeping the manual handling demands is down to a minimum is important with our teams. The high standard of the quality of the workmanship with both the software and the steel in the machine was important to us, and we work pretty closely with the Spida team in doing our due diligence, and we're stoked with the final result. From a very manual plant, our team had never used semi-automated machinery like this before, so a steep learning curve for the team, but we found that production and productivity has increased very quickly and exponentially now, and we're well ahead of our production targets. Working together with Spida, we discussed various alternatives as far as machinery and factory layout goes. Together we came up with what is right for us. Spida stayed with us right through the commissioning process, and we're very happy with the result.
If you're looking for a robust, fast, accurate, simple to operate and cost-effective solution to assemble trusses with inbuilt materials handling, you can't look past the Spida roller system.